Real, Pro, Power. Introducing the Greenworks Pro Cordless 21-inch mower, powered by the 80-volt lithium max battery system. This is true gas performance without the cost, hassle, and maintenance of gas tools. Designed with pros in mind, it features a 21-inch steel deck, instant one-touch start, and single-handle 7-level height adjustment so you can get the job done, all with 0 emissions and 16 times less noise than typical gas mowers. Every Greenworks Pro tool is engineered with cutting-edge DigiPro brushless motors to deliver maximum performance that you can feel. And our innovative Smart Cut technology extends runtime and maximizes torque on demand when you need it most. Unmatched versatility means you can mulch, bag, or side discharge. And when you're ready to switch tools, you can move the battery to our complete line of 80-volt power tools in just seconds. For you, it's not just a tool, it's your life. This is Greenworks Pro. Endless power, 0 emissions.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.